welcome to this farm system session. Really hoping to get some good discussion and questions, and if you disagree, just make sure you charge on there. These guys are sort of used to a bit of argy-bargy, so hopefully we'll look forward to a bit of that. But it is my pleasure to introduce Dr. Laurence Shalloo from Moorepark in Ireland, Southern Ireland. Laurence is really one of the top Irish scientists around farm systems, so he understands farm systems, he understands how it all fits together and the economics around those systems. So we're very, very fortunate to have Laurence as well as the rest of the Irish team here with us, adding a huge amount to this conference. We've also got Mark Neal, DairyNZ. He's an economist by training. He's also a farmer. His family farms back in Australia and has managed farms, so he knows the practical stuff. He's done a lot of work in DairyNZ around how we analyse our data and what conclusions that we're actually getting from it, because all of us can look at a whole lot of dots on a graph and we'll suit ourselves as to what conclusion we draw from it. And Mark has no biases whatsoever, and he just concludes the facts. So we'll look forward to those. So look, to start the ball rolling, I'll hand over to Laurence. We'll work through the presentations with a couple of questions in the middle, but we're going to have a good half hour of discussion at the end. So if you've got questions, make sure you save them up.